A few years ago, I was just another person with a dream, a laptop, and a shaky internet connection. The idea of making a significant income online was merely a distant dream. I stumbled upon dropshipping by accident, while scrolling through financial freedom videos on YouTube. It was intriguing, but also intimidating. How could I, with no startup capital, make this work? The answer came in the form of TikTok. With its vast reach, TikTok was perfect for my dropshipping venture. I set up my store and created my first TikTok account. My initial days were filled with confusion and excitement. Learning everything from scratch was overwhelming, yet every little success fueled my ambition. As I experimented, my understanding grew. I saw potential in TikTok to transform my financial destiny. Dropshipping on TikTok is a business model where you sell products without holding any inventory. When a customer makes a purchase, the order is sent directly to the supplier, who then ships the product to the customer. This eliminates the need for significant upfront investment and reduces the risk associated with unsold stock. The beauty of using TikTok for dropshipping lies in its algorithm, which can make any video go viral, regardless of the account's follower count. This means that even new entrepreneurs can reach thousands, if not millions, of potential customers overnight. The platform's focus on short, engaging videos fits perfectly with the fast-paced, impulse-buying nature of online consumers. Moreover, TikTok's demographic is predominantly young, a group that is not only tech-savvy but also inclined towards trendy niche products. This opens up a vast market for dropshippers who can tap into the latest trends and cater to this audience's desires. Understanding these aspects of TikTok allowed me to strategically place my products in front of the right audience, significantly increasing the chances of sales. The early days of my TikTok dropshipping journey were not without challenges. One of the biggest hurdles was understanding the type of content that resonates with the TikTok audience. Initially, my videos were too sales-oriented, which did not engage viewers and led to poor performance. Another significant issue was selecting the right products. The TikTok market is dynamic and trends can change overnight. I spent countless nights researching trending products, trying to predict what would catch on next. This process was tedious and filled with trial and error, leading to some initial financial losses. I also struggled with optimizing my ads. TikTok's advertising platform was different from anything I had used before. The targeting options and the way the ads were presented required a unique approach. Learning this took time and patience. However, each challenge was a learning opportunity. I refined my strategies, learned from my mistakes, and gradually began to see improvements in my engagement and sales. Choosing the right product is crucial in the dropshipping business, especially on a platform like TikTok, where trends can make or break your success. I developed a strategy to identify potential winning products, which involved a mix of trend analysis, competitor research, and consumer psychology. The first step was to keep a constant watch on TikTok trends. This included monitoring popular hashtags, sounds, and challenges. Products that could be linked to these trends were more likely to capture the audience's attention. Next, I studied other successful dropshipping accounts to understand their strategies. This helped me not only in picking products but also in figuring out effective pricing and marketing tactics. I learned that the key was not just finding a trending product but finding one that had not yet saturated the market. Understanding the psychology of TikTok users also played a crucial role. I focused on products that were visually appealing, could be demonstrated effectively in short videos, and had a wow factor that made them shareable. This refined approach to product selection gradually improved my store's performance, leading to more consistent sales and higher profits. Content creation on TikTok is both an art and a science. My initial attempts were crude, but I developed a formula for engaging videos. Always start with a hook. The first few seconds must grab attention. Use a surprising fact, a quick demo, or humor. Keep content fast-paced and to the point. High-quality visuals and clear audio are crucial. Invest in a good camera and learn basic editing. Polished videos build trust and perform better. User-generated content boosts credibility. Real people using the product increase buyer confidence. End with a clear call to action. Direct the audience to visit, follow, or share. The true turning point in my TikTok dropshipping journey came with a single viral video. It was a simple product demo video that I had not thought much about while creating. However, it struck a chord with the audience and was shared widely, amassing millions of views overnight. This exposure brought an unprecedented surge in sales, and for the first time, I saw the real power of TikTok's virality. My followers increased exponentially, And with each new follower, the potential for sales grew. This experience was a revelation. It highlighted the importance of understanding and leveraging viral trends. From that point on, I focused even more on creating content that had the potential to go viral. I experimented with different styles of videos, collaborated with influencers, and engaged actively with my audience. This not only helped in sustaining the initial spike in sales, but also in building a loyal customer base. This breakthrough was a game changer. It not only boosted my confidence, but also provided the financial proof that my business model was viable. I started investing more into my business, scaling up operations, and diversifying my product range. Reflecting on my journey, several key strategies were instrumental in my success. First, the importance of persistence cannot be understated. The early days were tough, and there were many moments when I felt like giving up. However, sticking with it and constantly learning and adapting were crucial. Second, the ability to quickly adapt to changes in trends and the platform's algorithm was vital. TikTok is a fast-evolving platform, and being flexible and responsive to changes ensured that I stayed ahead of the competition. Third, investing in learning about video production and social media marketing paid off immensely. As the quality of my content improved, so did my engagement rates and sales. Lastly, engaging with the community was key. Responding to comments, participating in trends, and creating a brand personality that people could relate to helped in building a strong, engaged following. The potential of TikTok in the realm of dropshipping is immense. Its algorithm uniquely levels the playing field, allowing newcomers to reach a massive audience without the need for a large advertising budget. The platform's emphasis on creativity and engagement aligns perfectly with the needs of the dropshipping market, where visibility and impression are everything. Furthermore, TikTok continues to grow and evolve, adding new features that can benefit sellers such as the TikTok Shop, which integrates e-commerce capabilities directly into the platform. This evolution opens new avenues for dropshippers to explore and leverage for their business growth. For anyone considering entering the dropshipping business, TikTok offers a fertile ground for rapid growth and success. The key is to understand the platform, continuously innovate your content, and genuinely engage with the audience. As I continue on this exciting journey, the road ahead looks promising. The landscape of online business is constantly changing, and with each change comes new opportunities. TikTok has not only provided a platform for my business, but has also taught me invaluable lessons in marketing, consumer behavior, and the power of social media. To those who are on the fence about starting their own TikTok dropshipping business, my advice is simple. Start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. It's a journey of learning and growth, and the rewards can be substantial. Remember, every big success starts with a small step. And who knows, the next viral TikTok product could be yours. I hope this journey inspires you as much as it has transformed me. If you found this story enlightening and motivating, I encourage you to like, subscribe, and comment. Share your thoughts, your own experiences, or any questions you might have. Engaging with us doesn't just help spread the word, it also creates a community of like-minded individuals who support and inspire each other. Let's connect and build this community together. Your feedback and interaction fuel this journey and help us all grow. Remember, in the world of TikTok dropshipping, your creativity is your greatest asset. So let's keep creating, sharing, and thriving together. See you on TikTok.